in a city where the second language is Samoan. Crowd in Kingston, more than 3,000 strong in a sensational show of Pacific pride. Fans of the emerging international football powerhouse were rife with energy and excitement for a rock star welcome.
So did you skip school for this?
Yeah. I didn't go to school once.
Samoans aren't quiet about who they love. They love Toa Samoa.
That love, loud, proud and absolutely undeniable. A sea of blue cheered the names of treasured regulars and chanted those of the big-name recruits.
This reception will hopefully give Toa Samoa the extra edge when they come up against rivals Tonga at Suncorp Stadium on Sunday.
This is real special, honestly. I think it just means a lot, and it just kind of gives you that more fuel you need for the week.
Players ready for war. They won't be going in alone. Anna McGraw, 7 News.